Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously creamy bacon pasta. So quick, easy and delicious. And I'll start by chopping one onion finely. I've washed and de-seeded one bell pepper and I'll just give that a quick chop. I've just put my pasta on to cook in some salted boiling water. Under a medium heat, I'm just sweating off those chopped onions. Now that the onions are nice and soft, I've just added some chopped bacon. Once the bacon and onions have started to brown, I add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and the chopped bell pepper. For more flavour, I'll add some hot ground chilli powder and some smoked paprika. And I'll squeeze in a tablespoon of tomato puree. I've mixed a beef stock cube with some boiling water and I'm just going to add that. I've turned the heat up at this point and I'll allow it to simmer. As you can see, it's already starting to thicken. I've washed a couple of handfuls of baby spinach leaves and I'll add those. It only takes a few minutes for them to wilt down. At this point my pasta is already cooked and I've left that to drain. I've turned the heat down now and I'm going to add some double cream. And I'll stir in my cooked pasta. I'll give it a good stir and add some black pepper before serving. And there it is, creamy, flavoursome bacon pasta. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.